This video will cover the sacred geometric shape and crystal grid template, the square. It's fitting that I finished the sacred geometry series on the square, as in many ways it is opposite to the circle, which is where we began 10 weeks ago. The square has ancient origins. There's probably not a culture that has not utilised this powerful symbol. The square weaves its power and magic into our very existence. For example, the 4 seasons, the 4 directions, the 4 cosmic elements, the 4 stages of human life, and the 4 elements of earth, air, water, and fire. The square is evident in the laws of nature and of the universe, and is strongly linked to the law of cause and effect. In fact, we humans have a real affinity to the square. We see it everywhere, from the mundane picture frames on our wall, to the windows that we glance out of every day, to ancient art and architecture. I like to think it's because we can feel its symbolic message of strength and reassurance. The square represents the solid earth and familiarity, stability and security, strength, sturdy foundations for a strong mind and on which to build upon, boundaries and trust, direction, the physical realm. The square forms part of the symbol Muladhara for the root chakra. Bearing this in mind, it makes a great grid shape for connection to Mother Earth and Earth energy work, grounding and meditation, setting and maintaining boundaries, safety, protection, inner strength, confidence and personal power, building on goals, bringing our visions and dreams into reality. I create a square crystal grid when I'm feeling off balance and in need of calming and grounding. The square is helpful when working with high frequency energy, providing consistent grounding energy to more comfortably move through the states of consciousness. The square has a vast history with every civilization in many forms, from mathematics, astrology, and too many religions and cultures to mention here. Like many of the other sacred shapes we have visited over the past few weeks, the square is hugely significant to humanity's past, present, and future. So that's about it. I do plan to cover numerology and its connection to sacred geometry and gridding, but I will complete my studies in sacred geometry first. Then I hope to return to the series. In the meantime, I'll be doing plenty of videos on herbs, grids, and crystals. Thank you for being here.